All right, everyone. A lot of times I find that students are not necessarily having problems with algebra. What they're having problems with is arithmetic. So if you want to develop more confidence in the ability to learn new concepts in algebra, then it is worth the time to invest into getting very good and very precise at your arithmetic, particularly multiplication. So what I have before me on the screen is a 12 by 12 multiplication chart. All it is it's going to function as your multiplication tables. And what your goal is going to be is to use this as a tool to get very fast at doing multiplication. So right below this module, there is a PDF document of this same image. Print out as many copies as you need and practice. Do it once or twice a day until you can get to the point where it takes you less than 90 seconds to fill out this whole chart. That means that you know it backwards and forwards. So you want to not just be good at this, you want to be very good. So how do you fill out the chart? Well, I would also do it in a random order. So for instance, 2 times 2 is 4, so I place a 4 here. 4 times 4 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16. 11 times 3 is 33. And you go about filling in the entire chart this way. Now the first row in the first column is 0 times. That doesn't take too long. I'm not going to worry about that. 0 times anything is 0. That is my favorite number to multiply everything by. But the rest of the values you want to get really good at. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 54. And you keep going down. 63, 72, 81. 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 11 is 99. And 9 times 12 is 108. Then maybe pick a different row. 8 times 1 is 8. We've already filled in 8 times 2. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 7 is 56, 8 is 64, 8 times 10 is 80, 8 times 11, 88, and 8 times 12 is 96. And then what you want to do is you just want to get really good at filling in this chart and finding new ways to fill it in so that performing these multiplication problems gets to be second nature for you. Again, you don't want to just be pretty good at doing this, you want to be really good. And that is going to be the best possible thing that you can do to begin to gain some confidence in your ability to learn algebra. Because it's hard to learn something new if the whole time you are feeling not confident about your number concepts. So I'm going to fill out a couple more rows, but it's not going to really help you to watch me fill out the rows. What you want to do is you want to do this yourself. So as I mentioned, what you want to do is you want to print out the PDF associated with this. You want to print it out several times. And you want to practice this so that you get very good and very second nature at filling out this chart. So one more column for me. And again, you're shooting to be able to do this in less than 90 seconds. And I'm trying to do it while talking, so that doesn't help. So get yourself in a quiet place and tell the kids to be quiet for 90 seconds so that you can go ahead and do this and get really good at this. And as I've said, that will be one of the best things you can do to help improve your algebra performance. There's more math tips in the student math community, and just keep looking down. We talk about integers. Also, if you want to use this chart and just change the operation, you can also do this for plus, you could do this for minus, and there's similar charts for all the operations for you to get good at doing them. Take care and keep practicing.